All right. So to have our DAX on this, we'll click on new measure. That is where we have been working on. I said when you want to insert DAX, we have two options in your home ribbon tab. We have the new measure, we have the quick measure. We said that the quick measure have provide you suggestions of formulas or expressions that you can use for your operations. However, the new measure allows you to provide a custom formula or a data analysis expression. So we have been using the new measure, so we're going to proceed with it tonight again. So click on the new measure, and this time around we said that we want to calculate the sales that we are making using time. That is a trend, or profits that we are making using trend, using time. Okay, that is what we want to calculate. Okay, we want to put it, okay, in the month of June, what do we sell? In the month of this, what was our profits? In the month of that if you are working with NGOs and you are calculating out monitoring and evaluation, you want to know, okay, in the month of May, oh, that is month, right? What was the prevalent diseases that was trending? Okay, so this YTD
Yes.
expression can actually help to be able to know that. Okay, so what you just do is to just click on it, especially when you have done that in your stuff. So as you can see the formula Y to date. Now, since we are dealing with financial data, I will be making reference to the data that we have. So I want to get sum. Can you see my screen, please?
Yes, I can see a screen.
Okay, so the major formula is this. I need to edit this. That is um, let me call it dates. Dates is equals to, okay. Is that okay? Okay. Now you can see we have total YTD. Then you open the parentheses. Okay. Now what's supposed to follow is the expression, then the dates, as well as, look at it, we are picking then sum. Now the question is sum of what? So we have to now select sum. We have to select the data set financial, right? We have
Yes.
financial sales. Let's pick sales here. Okay, then we have dates. So let's look at our dates. Dates, say you cannot find this, so let's look for it. um okay, now Kevin, let's go this way. Let's remove this. Okay, we have financial dates. Can you see it?
You can see it.
Financial dates, this, look at it here. Okay, then we'll close our parentheses. Now I said something in the last class. I said when your data analysis expression has error, you see color red here. However, when it is free of error, you will not see it. You just be, the color will be black, meaning that your syntax is correct. Okay, so let me name
Yes.
the date sales. Okay, now please, are we on the same page before I click on before I click on this check, commit rather? So are we on the
Okay,
same page?
okay. I'm just entering the formula.
Okay, okay, so we then commit the DAX expression. All right, once you do that, you see dates sales in your under the your data set financial that you are working on currently. Okay, so meaning that is all for now for that DAX. If you drag it to uh your Canva here, this report view, just drag it, you see the effects loading. This is date sales. Okay, still loading. Okay, you can see my bar chart now. This is my column chart rather. You can see it.
Yes, I can see it.
Okay, so this is just total, that is date sale. You can see this is the total sales. Okay, so that is 92 million. If you put your mouse on it, on that bar, you can see it across. All right. Now, this is just to tell
Okay.
you that it's working. The essence of our DAX, most especially when you want to use them for slides or for your KPI, you want to be seeing the effects. So they are very, very important for that. Okay. So let me
Okay.
see, where is even the KPI here? Where is KPI? Okay, this is KPI. You can see it's just showing feed for both value and trends axis are needed. Okay, since I'm not doing visual for now, I'll just uh,
Mm-hmm.
stop at the visual. Let's continue with our DAX.
Okay.
Sorry, please. The next thing we want to calculate for the percentage, total percentage. Okay,
Okay.
so we'll click on new measure.
All right.
Click on new measure. Then once it's pops open, we'll then start. We want to get the percentage per products. Okay, let's go ahead and insert the formula. So we have this percentage of total sales is equals to, we are using the divide. Okay, then I know when you want to
Okay.
get percentage, you have your numerator and the denominator. So the numerator for this is our sales. Okay, so we are going to pick this. Let's quickly correct this one. Let's correct this. Here we have to indicate the data set we are making reference to. That is finance. Okay, so we have finance. The Let's use the profit now. Okay, comma. Then we then calculate the sum of the same total sales here. Let's go ahead and make the correction. Total sales, where is my sum? Where is it? Sales. Okay, we have sales price. Okay, let's use okay, profits. Okay, let's use the sum profits. Okay, then profits. Okay, profits. Then all sales. Still wrong. Let's correct this. Okay, total sales. Okay, let's how to correct this. Okay, let's see. Let's see. There's we're supposed to put okay, is it parentheses here, comma. Okay, see okay now. Okay, okay. This for this, and there's still one. Okay, okay. I need to put something here. Some.
Okay.
Then here. Let's put something here. This one close. Is there a problem? Okay, there is. Change one. Change. All right. For the sake of those who are listening or watching the class, let me quickly
Okay.
go over it again. So what we did was that we were having issue with the calculate function. So we then have to remove it, and then started with, since we are calculating the percentage, say okay, divide the sum of financial profits divided by, this is the numerator, and this, the other one, is the denominator, the total sales. So we hope I believe is the total profits. When you divide by total sales, we should be able to tell us the percentage of what we have. Okay, so that is so this first expression here symbolizes a numerator. The other expression here symbolizes the denominator. Okay, so that is what we did. So, Mr. Moto, are you following? Are you typing the code? So immediately we finish, then you click on commit so it can take effect there. All right. So since we are done with this, we are still continuing in our data analysis expression. So right away, what we want to do is, let's assume we want to calculate a specific total sales for a particular product. Okay, that's what we want to do. So let's check our data set here. If we have a column for product, okay, we do. So I want to pick a name there. Let me go back to my
Okay.
data set here. Okay, so we have something like this, Carretera. This is a product. We have
Okay.
Parcel, we have Parcel, Velo, VTT, Amarilla, Catera. Okay, these are different product name. Okay, so now I
Okay.
want to calculate the total sales of a particular product. So that's what we want to do now. So let's click on our new measure here. Okay, click on our new measure, then we'll calculate for uh, but a specific product sales, total sales of the product. Now, for those who are in HR, let's assume you want to calculate for a particular employee, you want to know their turnout, their performance. This expression can also help out to do that. Okay, so sales for I'm going to change this product to Catera, Carretera. Okay, Carretera. Okay, so we're going to use a calculate functions here. We have sales. Let's change this to financial, because that is the data set we are using. Financials, and then we have sales. Okay, we have
Okay.
financials, and then we have sales. Then here too, we're going to change this one to financial. When we're going to select products, financial products. Let's look for products, financial uh, products. Where is the product? I'm not seeing it. I'm only seeing profit or loss. I'm not seeing. It's not showing me. Uh, I mean this one. It's not showing there. It's not showing there. There's a challenge. Of those online, let me quickly go over it again. We
Okay.
used this says for character. That is the product we're looking for, and then we now calculate some financials. This is it. It's found there, and then followed by we filtered financials, financial products, and then it worked out. Okay, so with this, it's going to work if you try this. If you don't want to use filter too, definitely it will still work. What you just have to do is to remove this for now. You remove this, okay. Remove
Okay.
this. That is this one I'm doing. So that was one you did, okay.
Yes.
So
Yes.
this
Yes.
was one you did. So you just, and then it will work. So I guess, but my subsystem, I'm going to work on it maybe later on. So with this code, you can filter the particular sales that you are making on a particular product. Okay. So once you are done, then you save. It's saying that sales in the table financial cannot be found or may not be used. So let me even correct this and see what it's saying. Okay, this is it. Oh, so that is it. So then we can then commit it. Commit this. So you click on commit, it will then save. So this expression helps you to be able to calculate the sales of a particular product in your
Okay.
data set.
Okay.
All right, so let's calculate average sales for each category. So why is this not closing yet? It's close. I'm waiting for this to okay. Is it not closing? Close now. Waiting for it to close. I've committed it, so I don't know why it's not. Let me click on new measure.
Okay.
So that's, yeah, and that measure can pop, and then we can calculate average sales for each category. So you can click on new measure, please, and let's wait for it to pop up. Okay, so we have this. We have this. We have this. So average sales. So we are using this function average x. Okay, that's what we are using. Is that okay?
Mhm.
Average what?
Yes.
Average yes. That's what we are using. So we'll then go ahead and type financial. financials,
So average sales.
average
Okay.
S. Then we have values,
Sales.
financials.
Average. X.
So I'm supposed to check as we products.
Value is
Then here we have financial as well.
is financial.
I'll put sales. Can you see it?
Yes.
All right.
Financial
So
profits.
they want to calculate the average sales for each category of product. We have Catera, we have Paseo, we have Velo, we have VTT. So then we selected average. Then that is what we are looking for in this O expression. Then the next line is values. Values is what exactly are we looking for? We then pick, we say values, go to this data set called financials. That is the data set. And then in the financial, the
Okay.
column called products. That is a column that contains
Okay.
different categories. Then thereafter, we then say calculate some financial. So by the time it calculates financial of each, it will look for the average for us. All right. So can you please type this?
Yeah, I'm typing.
All right. So let's click on commit.
Okay. If it has worked, it has not given me an error.
Okay. So meaning that yeah, it has worked. So that is all about for DAX in this class. Please, I want to advise that you go over it again. Practice. There's even one more there. That is for ranking. Practice. Make sure that you edit to feed into your data set, the value you have on your column. Okay. Then browse to see more data analysis expressions, more formula. There are more. Okay. There are
Okay.
more. So all this one I'm just doing is to give you basis in which you can build upon. Okay. So please practice
Okay.
and then submit your assignment. Is that okay?
Sure.
Right. So in our next class, we're going to move on to data modeling on Power BI, and then we'll proceed. All right. Once again, Mr. Brown, thank you for listening. Please do have a wonderful night rest.